In the last lecture, we have to already seen that the structure of root, then types of root, tap root, adventitious roots, and development of these roots, the tap root and adventitious roots. Then next point, that is modification of root. When roots have to perform some special type of functions in addition to its normal functions. You know that the normal functions, fixation and absorption of absorption, these are the normal functions of the roots. To develop some structural changes to perform the special functions is called the metamorphosed roots. Metamorphosed roots, to perform the special functions, some changes takes place in the taproot and adventitious root. Hence these are called the metamorphosed roots. The modification of root, that is for different to perform different functions, that is modification of taproot and adventitious roots. Modification of taproot and the modification of adventitious roots. First, modification of taproot. Classification of modification of taproot for storage and for respiration. For storage and for respiration. For storage, the roots, that is, they are again classified into fusiform root, then conical root, napiform root, for example, the fusiform root, radish, for example, conical root, that is carrot, example of napiform root is beet. Then for respiration, the modification of these roots, types of roots for respiration, nematophores, or it is also called respiratory root. Respiratory root. For example, rhizophora. To perform the special function, the modification of taproot takes place in this way. Then in adventitious root, modification of adventitious root for food storage. Food storage for mechanical support and third for special functions for special functions. Food storage, for food storage, the modification of root is simple root, simple tuberous then for fasciculated tuberous, then beaded and nodulose roots for example simple tuberous roots, the sweet potato, for fasciculated tuberous root, Papyrus then beaded roots, for example arrow, the for storage of the food. Then for mechanical support, the modification of mechanical support, that is prop root, then stilt root, climbing root, then clinging root, plank root, then buoyant root, for example prop root, banyan tree, stilt root, maize, climbing root, for example climbing root, kali mirch, clinging root, helax, helax, plank root, for example plank root, silk cotton, and Bayon's root, that is Zassia ripus. To perform special function, the root, epiphytic root, the modification of special function, that is epiphytic root, for example venda or orchid. This is the modification of root, that is tap root as well as adventitious roots, to perform the special functions in the plants. Okay, that is the chart form. You can understand easily the types of modification of root, that is tap root and modification of root. Okay, then to discuss about the every type of modified root in next lecture. Okay, thank you.